warm welcome. Greetings from C-Cube Academy, Chandigarh. In this video session, we are going to learn how to use prepositions in English grammar like on, at, in, and to. So let's get right to it. Prepositions are the words that join a noun, pronoun, or the noun phrases and make a sentence complete. However, learning prepositions is a little tricky and hence the students should be conscious while reading a book or other documents and check the usage of prepositions. For example, to the office, on the table, in a few minutes, at my place, etc. Now here in these sentences, to, on, at, in are the prepositions. Moreover, prepositions are used in the sentences to indicate a location, direction, time, or sometimes to introduce an object. Now let's discuss some common prepositions and their applications. At, in, on, and to are used both as time prepositions and as place prepositions in English. Let's start with the preposition at. Now at tells us that the following noun is located at a specific point or location. It shows an exact position. For example, how many people are working at Microsoft? Or there is a party at the clubhouse. Or we saw a basketball game at the stadium. At is also used to point out specific time. For example, meet me at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Now at is also used to indicate an email address. Please email me at abc@dgfg.com. And lastly, at is also used to indicate an activity. I am good at drawing a portrait. Let's get to the second preposition, that is on. Now on is used to express a surface of something. For example, I kept the dishes on the dining table. Now on is also used to specify days and dates. For example, Radha was born on 15th August. Or the garbage truck comes on Wednesdays. On is also used to indicate a device or machine, such as a computer or a phone. For example, she's on the phone. Or my favorite movie will be on TV tonight. Now on is also used to indicate a part of the body. For example, I wear a ring on my finger. It is also used to indicate the state of something. For example, the products available in the store are on sale. Now let's move on to the third preposition, that is in. Now in is used for unspecific times during a day, month, season, or year. For example, the new academic session will commence in March. It is also used to indicate a location or a place. For example, I am currently staying in a hotel. Now in is also used to indicate a shape, color, or size. For example, this dress comes in 4 sizes. It is also used to express while doing something. For example, in preparing for the final report, we revised the tone 3 times. And lastly, in is also used to indicate a belief, opinion, interest, or a feeling. For example, I believe in the afterlife. The last preposition for the day is to. Now to is very important and to is used to indicate the direction or place. For example, I am heading to my college. To is also used to refer to a period. I am here from 10 to 5. Lastly, to is also used to indicate relationship. Your opinion is very important to me. So that's about it, and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching, and you can contact C-Cube Academy Chandigarh in order to join our online and offline batches for IELTS and spoken English. Thank you and have a nice day. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.